What's the longest Uber you've ever taken?
Drove 2.5 hours. Now we're getting on a boat. Can you call it an Uber? I'm not sure. There it is, the boat.
Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at this. Just this morning, we were standing at the top of Mount Acatenango. Tomorrow is our 10-year anniversary, so when we planned this trip, we knew we didn't want to have a travel day on our anniversary. So, after hiking down the mountain, we got on a 1-hour bus ride and a 2.5-hour Uber just so we could make it to Lake Atitlan. These 4 days were so unexpectedly good. Lake Atitlan is one incredibly special place. Are you ready? Started to splash. Whoa, cool tuk-tuk. There we go. Say bye-bye, Mama.
Say bye-bye, Dada. Okay, we're sitting on the side of a cliff somewhere. Josh has apparently landed, but we have to wait for the bus to pick us up. I literally have all of our belongings here. So I have no way to contact Josh, and he has no phone and no wallet. And we're like 24 minutes from town. Yeah, so we're waiting for the bus. We're making on the bus.
See? Cheers. Brittany summed it up perfectly. It was the perfect balance of tranquility, but adrenaline. It was awesome. What are you gonna get for breakfast?
Pancakes?
There's a boat out there, yeah. Alright, let's go find you a chicken bus. Callan's having a hard time enjoying anything
Not a chicken bus.
without a chicken bus.
So we're on our way to get a chicken bus. Chicken bus? Oh, yeah. Big chicken bus.
It's our last day in Guatemala. Habana again. Gonna get some good coffee, and then we're going to go to La Reserva and see some butterflies, maybe some monkeys. Hey. Bye bye. Look. Oh gosh. We're just gonna walk up to the viewing platform, and this guy is. Oh my god. This playground is something. We got a miniature zip line. We have a teeter-totter that's in a boulder. We have a ride-on lawnmower. And chickens.
Whole playground.
Say adios. Well, how was it all?
I don't even know what to
Callan has used the safe for all of his cars. Hey, how you doing? Hey, how you doing?
No.
Thought it would be nice and relaxing and charming. Turns out it's extremely steep. There are venomous snakes.
Well, that was unexpected.
Just be cool, you know. Now we gotta do the happy anniversary thing. And then I'll put that in at the bloopers at the end.